Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one airdrop. You can buy that airdrop, and that airdrop is Solana. You know the Solana price is right now very low, and the first time Solana launched, its price is very low, and this is another part of Solana launching, and you can buy it. Okay, and let's get started. For this one you need a Trust wallet first of all, okay, and you need a BNB Binance Smart Chain. I have $8 Binance, okay, and after that you have this one. Just come down, copy the link available in description, come down in here and just paste the link in here, okay, and this website will be show you this website. I just copied the link to show you how you can paste it, and after you copy the link, come here, paste the link in the URL, okay, and just click enter. Okay, after pasting the link, just click here and click Smart Chain. Okay, this is the best way you can click Smart Chain. And this is the Solana dApps. About the Solana dApps, new Solana, this will become, this is the contract address, and if you want to copy the first one, contract address, just copy the contract address. Okay, after copying, close it and come to wallet and go up to this three dot and paste the contract address in here, and after that just click add a custom and just change the ethereum to smart chain and the paste contract address in here. This will be show you automatically, and then click done. Okay, I have already do this because I have in here, you can see, and this is not launching right now, this will be launched soon. And go to the website, okay, and then after that just click airdrop. Okay, click airdrop. This airdrop will be launched in 28 days. This will be end and this will be launch. Okay, for 28 days you can buy. I want to buy 1000 Solana. Okay, I just click this one. Okay, first of all just change the ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, but I have Binance, and just click this smart contract. Okay, sorry, I click much more time. Okay, I click one time. This is smart contract, show me, wait few seconds. You can see this is just take 1.2 cent dollar to you can buy 1000 Binance Smart Solana. Okay, Solana dApps.org, and just click approve and just put your wallet address, password, and that's it. You buy it, and in here just tell you listing price is $1. One Solana will be listing in 31 August 2022. Okay, 21 August this Solana will be listing. After that you can easily sell this Solana and you can make much more bunch of amount. And this is all about this Solana. And thanks for watching guys, and you can see public launching and hard drop. A lot of people come here and taking this Solana, and you can see I received the Solana. I go to my wallet, come down and show you how I receive this Solana. Okay, you can see I received the Solana. This much will be costed, and the confirmation is a little bit takes some time. Okay, right now it is a confirm. You can see 1000 Solana I get in my wallet address. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here. All of the things I told you, you do that with the same thing. and this airdrop link available in description. You can buy just 1000, not more than 1000, because the 1000 you just take $1, not much more. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.